Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to teach you how to create an email signature in Canva and how to incorporate it into your Gmail account. For those of you who don't know what Canva is, it's an online graphic design platform that allows you to create and design awesome graphics for your personal or business pages. I particularly like it because they offer a free version which allows you to create and design as many things as you want. There's no limit. And it's perfect for creating this email template that we're going to create today. So let's get started. First, what I want you to do is log on to canva.com. That's canva.com. It'll bring you to the homepage. However, if you don't have an account, just sign up with Facebook or an email. When you do come to the homepage, you can go to the top left-hand corner that says Create a Design. Click on that. You're going to scroll down to Custom Dimensions and type in the width of 300 and the height of 150. PX is what it should be left on. Create Design. Now you're going to add your name. Go over to the left and click Text, add a heading, and type your name in. I'm going to change the font to Playlist Script. I just like how it looks. And I'm going to change the size to 18.4. I'm going to drag this to the upper left-hand corner until a purple box appears. Next, I'm going to add a subheading. So this is going to be my title and my position at the company. Go to Text, add a subheading, and type in your position. For me, I am the founder and CEO of Sips Straw. I can go up to the top and make it all capitalized and change the spacing. You can decide how you want it. I'm going to make it 131. I find that to be a nice spacing amount. I'm also going to change the font to Lato. You can change it to whatever you want. I just particularly like this one. And I'm also going to change the size. I'm going to make this 4.2. We're going to make everything bigger in the end, so this is a good starting point. I'm now going to drag my title to under my signature. Make sure it's aligned on the left. Now I'm going to copy my title by clicking Command-C, Command-V, or Control-C, Control-V on a PC. I'm going to type in my website, and I'm also going to align that to the left. I'm going to leave it in Lotto, but I'm going to change the size to 3.2. Now this may look small right now, however we're going to stretch it at the very end once everything is organized. Now I'm going to highlight my website by adding an element. I'm going to click on Elements and type in Square. I think a square really brings out the website and makes it stick out. So now you can just move it to make it the size that you want, and if it's not already placed behind, you can go to Position and move towards the back. Remember that we are going to be making this much bigger. Don't worry about how everything is very small right now. Next, we're going to add in our social media icons. In Elements, you can just type in all the social media accounts that you have. I have Twitter. I'm going to use the circle. You can use whatever ones you want. I also have Facebook and an Instagram account. Now arrange them to the size that you like. I like to keep them small and make sure that these icons are aligned with your other font, such as the website, and make sure they all are the same size. You can kind of see when they look even. I think that looks pretty good. So you can move them closer together, further apart, however you like them. But I think I'm going to keep them close together, and then you can click on the white and highlight over them to move them closer or further from the website. Now I am going to copy my rectangle that I just created by clicking Control-C, Control-V, and moving it on top of the social icons. Now you can see that I'm going to go up to Position and click to back. That brings everything forward. I'm also going to copy my website by clicking Control-C and Control-V and type in my social media accounts. I use @sips_straw for all of my social accounts, and that's how I will be found on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Drag that to my rectangle. As you can see, it doesn't fit so much, so I can just drag it out to the side. Now I really like the way that looks, so I'm going to leave it like that. Now it's the fun part, playing with the colors. I'm going to change the colors in my signature. So first I'm going to click on my name. I mean, you can leave it black if you like, but I'm going to change it to a color. For this, I'm going to use a new color. However, you can use default colors that they provide, brand colors, which I am not going to use for this one, or you can make your own. So let's customize my own color. I like the blue-gray. Let's leave it like that. So it'll save in the document colors if you want to use it again. For this, I am going to make it more of a gray color. So let's go with that. And again, it saves in the document color. I'm going to use that color for each. You can also change the element. If you click on the element, color, and then choose whatever you want. I'm going to match my signature. However, I'm going to go play with the transparency, which is in the upper right hand corner. You can drag the little button and it will make it lighter, more transparent, or darker. Okay, let's see how that looks. Maybe I'll change this font to white. You can also play around with this element. I'm going to make it a little more transparent, just so it's a bit different. And you can even play around with the social media icons. So I'll leave it at the color that I use for my signature. And now you're ready to make it bigger, so you can just highlight over it. Once you highlight the entire visual, it'll become one group. If you feel more comfortable, just click on group at the upper right hand corner. Now, make sure it's big enough to fit in the purple. It'll appear on the screen. You can drag and just make sure it fits completely in the purple. Just make it as big as possible, just so it appears nicer on your email template. Now it's time to publish. So you're going to go click publish, download PNG. That's the file I like to use. Download. Now it will be saved to your downloads. Now what I'm going to have you do is test it out. First, you're going to go into the settings in Gmail, which is this button right here. It looks like a wheel. Click settings and scroll down in the general tab. You'll come to signature, which is right here, and you're going to click insert image. It's already downloaded, so you can just go upload, select a file from your device, and go into your downloads and click open. It'll upload and then it will appear in the signature block. Perfect. I love the way that looks. So I'm going to save the changes, save changes at the bottom, and now I'm going to test it out with a fake email account that I've made for this. So I'm going to write compose, and there it is. Okay, let's see how it works when I'm sending it. I'm going to make the subject test and the sending test. Perfect. Now I'm going to log into the other Gmail account. You can even send it to the same account, but I just want to see how it looks when I'm sending it to another account. And here it is, and there's my email signature. So if you're happy with that, you can change the size, whatever you want to do, but I think it looks pretty good. I never want it to be too big where the viewer is annoyed to see how much is in the signature line. But I hope you guys learned a lot today, and I look forward to making more videos for you guys.